What is the software development life cycle? The software development life cycle is the process of creating a software product, from the initial concept and requirements gathering through to design, programming, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It is an iterative process with each phase overlapping the next. The stages in this cycle are typically divided into planning, analysis, design, coding, or development, testing, and implementation. During planning, developers decide what features they want to include in their product and devise a plan for its creation. Analysis involves understanding customer needs and determining how to meet them with specific features. Design focuses on creating a visual representation of the product's architecture, while coding is where the actual programming takes place. Testing involves running tests on the product to ensure it meets quality standards before being released to users. Finally, implementation involves deploying the product and providing maintenance as needed. What are the SDLC models/methodologies? The SDLC, or Software Development Life Cycle, is a set of models and methodologies designed to ensure the development of successful software projects. The model most often used is the waterfall model, which involves a series of sequential steps that progress from system requirements to design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Other popular models include the Agile model and Scrum methodology. Both emphasize collaboration between developers and stakeholders to break down large projects into smaller pieces for faster delivery. There are also hybrid models which combine elements of the waterfall and Agile approaches. Ultimately, the choice of an SDLC model depends on the specific needs of a project. It should be tailored to fit each unique situation. What are the stages of SDLC? The Software Development Life Cycle, SDLC, is the process of creating software from start to finish. It involves multiple stages, each with its own objectives and purpose. The SDLC typically begins with planning and requirements gathering, followed by design and development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. During the planning stage, stakeholders come together to define project scope and objectives. Requirements gathering follows as a way to understand what is needed for the project. This includes functional requirements such as what features should be included in the software, as well as non-functional requirements such as performance or security needs. Design and development turn these ideas into code that can be tested against these requirements. Testing ensures the system works properly before being deployed in production. Finally, maintenance provides users with bug fixes or updates to keep the system running smoothly over time. By going through each stage of the SDLC process, businesses can create high-quality software that meets user needs and expectations.